This is a review of the preserved flowers bouquet with vase that lasts about 3 to 5 years. And these are preserved real flowers. And the brand sent this to me, so then that way I can do a review. And first thing I noticed when I opened the shipping box is this cute card. And it is empty, so that way you can fill in with your own details. And then after taking it out of the shipping box, it is sturdily and carefully secure and arranged in this protective box. There is another layer of thicker plastic protecting these beautifully preserved flowers. There is some secure zip tie in there that needs to get clipped, so that way we can get these beautiful flowers taken out of the box. Okay, now that the zip tie has been clipped, I did notice a very slight, delicate flower scent because these are dried to last for the 3 to 5 years. And these are absolutely beautiful. These are absolutely beautiful. These are an exquisitely prepared bouquet of flowers that we'll get to enjoy for the next 3 to 5 years.